Hey everyone, it's Michael here from GoodEreader.com, and today we are unboxing the Amazon Fire 10 HD. Just to give you a sense on what this is about, it's 1080p full display, 1920 by 1200, octa-core processor, 512 gigabyte of expandable storage, USB-C. It has a lot of stuff going for it, and it's the largest tablet that Amazon makes. And you can see that it actually slides out of the tablet. It's on its back here, and that's kind of very interesting that it kind of like everything's snug, and then you take it off, and this is like where all of your accessories are. And you can see that it says hello, kind of just like a general quick start guide. Gives you a sense on like where everything actually is on the unit. Fire, things to try. So it kind of gives you a list of recommended apps: Hulu, Netflix, Kindle, various games. So you have a USB-C cable, which is nice. It's all black. It's not braided or anything. It's just sort of a generic black cable. You can either power this by plugging this into your PC and then charging it like that. Here's the device. You can see it's very mirrory. You have the webcam here, VGA. You have a webcam on the back. You can see that it's blue on the back. You can see there's two speakers here and no speakers on the other side. And then here, volume up and down, 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, a mic. We're going to post a comprehensive review on everything that this brings to the table. So this has been an unboxing of the Amazon Fire 10, the HD10. For GoodEreader.com, my name is Michael, and everyone take care.